Hey, it's Tipping Hat. Our 27-point AC and furnace tune-up will get your unit ready for the season. With this tune-up, we'll make sure that your unit is going to run well and not have any breakdowns throughout the season. In fact, we have a no breakdown guarantee with our tune-up. If for some reason your unit does break down in the season, we'll credit your tune-up towards any work that needs to be done to repair your unit. Plus, we'll give you 5% off the standard price. There's a lot that goes into a 27-point tune-up, so we won't bore you with every point. Just to highlight a few things, our 27-point tune-up includes tightening all of the electrical connections, lubricating the motors, testing all the safety devices to make sure that they're properly functioning and working. We'll check for gas and carbon monoxide leaks, and we'll check that there are proper Freon levels. The tune-up ensures that your unit will run smoothly. It also includes some minor cleaning and furnace filter replacements for standard filters. All of this and peace of mind for only $29. We're Tipping Hat. We're family owned and operated, and our pricing is fair. Appointments fill up fast, so call or text 303-531-1339 to schedule today.